In a quiet corner of upstate New York, rising from nearly an acre of gently sloping land, stands a home that feels like it was pulled straight from the pages of a forgotten novel. This is no ordinary listing. It's a historic stone Victorian mansion, echoing over 3,400 square feet of architectural beauty, mystery, and old-world craftsmanship. Now priced to move, this property offers an extraordinary chance to not just own a home, but to reclaim a piece of history. From the outside, it commands attention. The massive stone wraparound porch stretches like arms welcoming you in. The stonework alone, strong, rugged, and hand-laid, is a lost art. Imagine quiet mornings here with coffee and fog rolling in from the fields, or summer evenings with friends as the sky glows pink and gold. It's not just a porch, it's a stage for life. Step inside and prepare to be transported. The original cherry hardwood floors creak gently underfoot, whispering stories from the past century. Coffered ceilings, hand-carved wood trim, and soaring arched doorways frame each space with purpose and elegance. As you explore, you'll find pocket doors that still slide like they were installed yesterday, and intricate stained glass windows casting bursts of color across the walls. The details here don't just impress, they mesmerize. This home was built when craftsmanship was a calling. You'll find multiple fireplaces, some ornate, others simple and inviting. A hidden staircase adds a sense of mystery and play, while the butler's pantry connects what once was a lively kitchen to the formal dining area, just waiting to host grand dinners once again. The layout flows with intention, with room after room revealing itself like chapters in a novel. The second floor is filled with potential. 5 generous bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths, offering enough space for multi-generational living, a creative retreat, or even an upscale bed and breakfast vision. Step out onto the private upper patio and take in peaceful views of the nearby college fields. Here, the air is crisp, the skies wide, and inspiration endless. Beyond the home itself, a paved driveway leads through a stone portico to a detached garage, but not just any garage. Upstairs is a full bonus space, complete with a private entrance. It's ready to become whatever you dream: a rental apartment, a guest house, an art studio, or a home office, with total separation and privacy. The backyard is just as promising, lush, quiet, and perfect for summer gatherings, garden beds, or late-night stargazing. Yes, this property needs work, but its bones are solid and its soul is intact. What it truly needs is someone with imagination, appreciation, and a desire to bring something beautiful back to life. These walls have seen generations come and go, and they're waiting now for the next dreamer to continue the legacy.